Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Kamrea HD 1080p camera. Of course, it's a spy cam, but it's also a 10,000 milliampere hour power bank. It is an power bank slash camera, hidden camera, a mini nanny cam for security at home, room and office. This unique camera system delivers HD 1080p videos and delivers a clear image. The charging capacity of 10,000 mAh supports video recording and charging the phones. Lightweight and portable features offers us more comfort. It supports TF micro SD cards up to 128 GB. This is not included. Then we select continuous recording mode or motion detection recording mode via the mode switch button. No software is required. No app, no computer, only this cam and a micro SD card. One button operation to record videos, job's done. It supports a micro SD card up to 128 GB with lightweight and portable device. We can take it anywhere and any like because it's mobile. In this continuous shooting mode, the camera will automatically start recording video as soon as it is turned on by pressing the pause switch. The video files are stored every 5 minutes and the oldest videos will be overwritten when the card is full. And then we have a second mode, a motion detection recording mode. In this mode, the camera switches to the motion detection standby mode after switching on. As soon as a moving object is detected, the camera automatically starts recording the video. And video files are restored every 5 minutes, and the oldest videos will be overwritten when the card is full. Whenever indoors or outdoors, we use this camera for interviews, notes, meeting notes, etc. Also, it helps us to keep an eye on the babysitter and on our children, janitor employees. It prevents theft in the home, workplace, hotel, etc. This is awesome. This is the Kamrea power bank camera. It can be used as a camera for home, teaching, office, conference, car, driving, travel, what we need. We does not need any Wi-Fi function with that device. We need to prepare an SD card before use. We do to long transport and storage in the warehouse. Power loss may occur, and we charge the device before we will use it. The video files are in AVI format, so we use a player that supports this format, such as VLC media player on a computer, for example. If the blue and the red light flash alternately after inserting the card and pressing the button, this means that the device cannot read our card, for example. So we switch to another SD card or format our card on the computer. We have 1080p HD high quality videos. The record is 1920 to 1080p. This is a good quality video with audio, and it comes with 30 frames. For example, my videos on my channel are filmed full HD 1080p and 60 frames. The record video is stored on the memory card every 5 minutes. That means we have a loop recording mode possibility here. By turning the mode switch into the continuous recording mode, the camera automatically starts recording after switching on. The latest file automatically overwritten in the oldest file when the memory of the SD card is full. And motion detection. It will automatically start and take a video. That's really cool. And we have night vision. Infrared lights are automatically switched on depending on the ambient light. So we can nearly clearly see details even in the dark environment. Whenever day or night, we know exactly who is entering our home or office. It supports a maximum of 128 gigabyte micro SD card. If the micro SD card has a capacity of more than 32 gigabyte, the card must be formatted to FAT32 before use. And after this, we can get the micro SD card into our computer, and we can set, for example, the time and the date settings there. We connect the device into our computer, and then we go to the time text file. We open the file, and then we can use it. We can install a lens cover. There is a protective film on the lens cover, so we tear it to get a clear picture. We tear the body paper next to the paste-it. The camera will be very hidden, so we can also choose not to paste it. Then the shooting will be better, of course. There are 3 lens covers included to protect the cam more from other watchers, of course. We have a continuous recording mode, for example. After we insert a card, we turn the mode switch to the L position. Then we set the continuous recording mode. We press the camera button for 3 seconds. The device power on. After the blue LED blinks for 3 times, then it goes off. The camera will start recording automatically. No lights will flash during recording because it's a spy cam. Then the motion detection mode. After we insert a card, we turn on the mode switch to the M position. We set the motion detection mode. We press the camera button for 3 seconds, the device power on, and after the red LED blinks for 3 times, then it goes off. The camera will automatically start recording when the sensor detects a motion. To power the device off, that means we have to push the power button for another 3 seconds, and then it goes off. The built-in 4 invisible IR lights automatically turn on the light, the night vision light, and of course it turns it off. Again, if the sun is too bright, for example. The power bank camera is indeed for use in accordance with all applicable local, state, and federal laws and regulations, of course. Neither the manufacturer or the distributors are liable for any illegal use, so you have to look that when you take a camera and if you take a photo or a video, the other person has to know this, okay? This is not good if you do this hidden. This is the Kamrea HD 1080p 10,000 mAh power bank and camera set, and it looks really like a power bank, but there is a camera included too. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.